Introducing the new Origins Lavatory Faucet with Touchless ActivSense technology from Symmons. The Origins Touchless Faucet is a sleek, sanitary solution for today's uncertain times and beyond. It can be installed easily in virtually any lavatory. And it can be paired with the Origins Touchless Soap Dispenser for a fully automated, touch-free experience. The one-piece brass construction and durable chrome finish is easy to clean and resists staining. The spout features a modern sweeping design that integrates a discreet, responsive sensor that is both fully waterproof and vandal-resistant. The ActivSense sensor triggers operation with just a touchless wave of the hand and conserves water with timed automatic shutoff. The sensor range and duration time are adjustable to accommodate specific environments.
In addition to the Symmons 10-year commercial warranty, the Origins faucet offers options such as a remote control,
4-inch and 8-inch deck plate configurations,
and 3 interchangeable power choices: battery, AC adapter, or transformer for multiple installations.
The Symmons S6960B Origins Lavatory Faucet.